Sweet. You can do both ways.
Thank you to Syma for going through and sending me this amazing drone to go through and review. Really appreciate it. I got some great footage showing you it outside in action, even doing tricks, which I'll show you in a moment. This does come with a lot of features. It has guards here that are gonna bounce off things if it gets too close, and there's an extra set of this and blades included. There's 2 batteries, so there's one in there now. It just comes out, you charge it with a USB cable, and then you put the other one in. So that works really well. It does need to be assembled, but it's very simple. I was even able to do it very easily. So basically you got this piece, clicks into here, clicks into here, clicks into here. The blades are already installed, and then you go ahead and just set it down. You touch the top to go ahead and turn it on, and the lights will start to flash. And you can also change different lights. The red lights are going to be the forward facing lights. So when you're going through, the red is forward, so you know with the remote. The remote has a lot of buttons, and keep in mind the joysticks are also buttons. So at first I didn't think it was that fast, and then I found out there's a switch to turn it from low to high mode. Now keep in mind when you do switch it to high mode, you are going to be using your battery up quicker. But overall, the experience with this was really good. I was able to learn how to use it and use how to trim it a bit, which I'll explain in a bit, and get about 15-20 minutes of playtime with it with some heavy tricks involved. Let's go ahead and show you the footage.
Trying to remember which, to me it's weird because I'm not facing it.
So here we are working on trimming it. Basically what that means is we're trying to get it to float in the air. If wind is coming from a certain direction, you need to kind of get it to trim to the side more to basically take that wind in effect. So once you get it correct, it'll go through and float a lot smoother for you.
Trying to remember which way it's facing me for another. Then
Sweet. You can do both ways.